Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade Chinese food. So basically, uh, my credentials, I've been cooking on and off for about 3 years, and I've watched my parents cook. My mom, she's been cooking for about probably 38 years. So that's who I'm learning from, and yep, that's where this is coming from. So basically, what you need is all you need. You can just use the pots and pans that you have. You need some oil and you need some salt. If you want to go official about it, you can buy a wok. It's spelled WOK. A wok is just a giant metal bowl where you can uh cook all kinds of vegetables or meats in. Like you stir fry it in the wok. All right, so basically you have your pots and pans. Like this is what you do. You just add some oil and then you put in your vegetables or your meats, and we'll let the oil heat up for about maybe 30 seconds, and then you put in your meats and your vegetables. You stir it a little and then put your salt in. Um, you can just use salt, or if you want to add some variety into it, you can buy some soy sauce. Like soy sauce is like the universal Chinese food additive. Like you can put it in anything and it'll make it taste good. Um, you can buy soy sauce at Walmart, and so that's basically it. You just put in some oil, put in some food, put in some salt, mix it all up, and then that's how you make home cooked Chinese food. Um, oh, um, it only takes about probably 10 to 20 minutes to prepare. So it's like you can do this every day, or you can buy like a rice cooker on the side and cook some rice. You can buy the wok in the rice cooker on Amazon if you need it, and you could just make yourself some home cooked Chinese food. So uh, you cook the rice in the rice cooker again. Yeah. Um, that's basically it. Like it's not that hard to cook Chinese food. You just stir fry it in the wok.